do we solve this situation? Very simple. All we need to do is find a way to cut the third party action so that the whole system do not start snatching around continuously. So in order to do that, we need to find a way to replace the missing electrons. So basically, in the nature, there is a food source that has a lot of free electrons. And what we need to do is to consume that so that the electrons can actually replace this particular element. Is called antioxidant. When it starts to replace, it is able to cut the third party action. Now, in the nature, is there food that contains high antioxidant? The answer is absolutely. Have you heard of broccoli? Yep. The key question here is how much do we need to consume in order to be able to replace the damaged condition that we are in now? The answer is actually 4 kilograms. They forget to tell us you need 4 kilograms per day to do that. Okay? And if you don't like the green colored stuff, you can go for carrot. Now imagine taking carrot for 4 kilograms per day. In short summary, most of us are not able to consume broccoli 4 kilograms per day to able to solve the situation now. So if this is impossible, what can we do? The answer is absolutely. What we did was we went out to source around the world what ingredient actually give us the highest amount of antioxidant, yet is able to solve the problem immediately. And we found it. It's called astaxanthin. If you were to Google astaxanthin, the ORAC value is 2.822200 million in terms of antioxidant level. You can go for it, and it is classified as the king of all antioxidants. The minute when you consume the high level of antioxidant, it will start to fill in and replace the electrons. Once the electrons are being replaced, it starts to stabilize, and the atom stabilize, molecule will stabilize, cells will stabilize, tissue will stabilize, organs will stabilize, system will stabilize, and the body will stabilize. When the whole system will stabilize, start to stabilize, they will kickstart a whole series of process called, first one, remove. It will remove whatever that is not supposed to be in the body, and then re-strengthen whatever that was being weakened in the body. Next, it will start to repair whatever that's being damaged. And last one, re-defense against further damage from free radicals. So, throughout the whole process, once astaxanthin is being put in, it is able to stabilize the system. However, throughout the 4R process, now the next question is, does the cells need nutrients and energy to be able to perform, remove, re-strengthen, repair, and re-defense? The answer is absolutely. That's why we put in the source for the ingredient green in color called Chlorella sorocchiana. So 2 ingredients provide the source. One, the red ingredient astaxanthin is able to stabilize. The green ingredient is to provide nutrients and energy for the cells so that they can start kickstarting everything else that they need to do to remove, re-strengthen, repair, and re-defense our entire body.